Welcome to the Conscious Tutors Year 6 Maths overview for the topic of number and place value. So children in Year 6 need to be able to read, write, order and compare numbers up to 10 million, as well as identify the place value. So when comparing numbers, they need to be aware of the more than, less than and equal sign. And when ordering numbers, they need to be able to do that in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order is from smallest to largest, and descending order is from largest to smallest. Children also need to know the value of each digit in a given number. So here is a 10 millions place value chart. So here we have the number 45,723,196. So again, starting from the right hand side, these can be separated by a comma in groups of 3, which you have identified with the headings in green and blue. So when partitioning this number, the 10 millions column is represented as 40 million, or is worth 40 million. The 5 is worth 5 million. The 7 is worth 700,000. The 2 is worth 20,000. The 3 is worth 3,000, and the 1 is 100, 90, and 6 ones. So when reading this number, it's 45,723,196. Children need to also be able to round any whole number to a required degree of accuracy, which basically means rounding whole numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, and sometimes even the 10 millions. So if we look at this number, 45,700,000, that's rounded to the nearest 100,000. So we looked at the original number, 45,723,196 gets rounded to the nearest 100,000 to 700,000. To the nearest million, 46 million. Children also need to be able to use negative numbers in context and calculate intervals across 0. So again, real life representations are used usually. Children need to be familiar with the negative number line and be able to calculate the difference between a positive and negative number. So the vocabulary of difference is important. So the difference between 13 and 5. So just to get back to 0, that's plus 13. And then when you add on another 5, you've got 13, add 5, the difference is 18. This could be given in the example of what is the highest and lowest temperatures, what is the range of temperatures, or what is the difference between. Children also need to be able to solve number and practical problems that involve all of these, and that could be represented in many different ways.